Hello everyone, welcome back to AeroHub and welcome to the series of lectures in Aerospace Gate, and we were discussing flight mechanics. We will start the problem. The relation between an airplane's true airspeed and equivalent airspeed in terms of density ratio sigma, that is sigma is equal to rho by rho naught, where rho naught is nothing but the air density at sea level and rho is the air density at the corresponding altitude. And this question was asked in GATE 2009. Okay, so it is a straightforward question. We can solve this question by using Bernoulli's equation. Okay, so they have given the true airspeed as VTAS and equivalent airspeed as VEAS. Okay, so I have already taught you about how a pilot measures the airspeed, and we have a one exclusive lecture based on this. I will provide the link of that lecture in the description box, and I'll be going straight to the problem here. Okay, so I will designate. I will be using Bernoulli's equation. Okay, Bernoulli's equation. Okay, this should be a constant, so I can write half rho naught, that is for sea level. V equivalent square is equal to half rho Vt square. Okay, I can cancel out these two terms. Okay, so I can get finally VE, that is V equivalent speed, by Vt the whole square is equal to rho by rho naught. Okay, VE by Vt is equal to rho by rho naught, and this rho by rho naught is nothing but root of rho by rho naught is sigma. Okay, so I can write VE by Vt is equal to root of sigma. Okay, so finally I can write equivalent speed is equal to root of sigma into V true airspeed. This is the answer. Okay, and in questions they will give the density. We have to take the density ratio. Sigma is nothing but the density ratio, then multiply by the true airspeed, and we will get the equivalent airspeed at the corresponding altitude. Okay, now we will see a numerical problem that was asked in GATE 2008. Okay, an aircraft is cruising at a true airspeed of 100 meter per second under ISA condition, that is at a standard condition the aircraft is cruising at 100 meter per second, that is a true airspeed. What is they are asking to find out the equivalent airspeed at an altitude at which the density of free stream is 0.526 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, so they haven't given the altitude, they have given the density at the corresponding altitude. Okay, so they actually given the value of rho is equal to 0.526 kilogram per meter cube. This is the value for density for the given altitude. Okay, and for ISA condition, that is International Standard Atmospheric Condition, the value is rho naught. Rho naught will be equal to 1.225 kilogram per meter cube. This is the standard value of density for the air. Okay, so from the previous problem we derived V equivalent is equal to root of sigma into Vt. Okay, so what is sigma here? The density ratio. So density ratio is nothing but rho by rho naught into V true velocity is here 100 meter per second. Okay, so V equivalent will be equal to root of rho is how much? 0.526 divided by 1.225 into 100 meter per second, and you will get an answer of 65.53 meter per second. Okay, this is about one of the important topic in flight mechanics, that is airspeed measurement. Okay, I have an exclusive video lecture based on how to measure the airspeed, different types of airspeed. We have equivalent airspeed, we have true airspeed, we have calibrated airspeed. There are different types of airspeed. Okay, and one of the important airspeed is the equivalent airspeed as well as true airspeed. You have to always you should be aware to find out the value of equivalent airspeed and true airspeed from a given set of altitude as well as density ratios. Okay, so that's all about this lecture, and we'll be continuing the aerospace gate series. Thank you for listening. Take care.